I I would like to explain my CA journey till now. Like when I second result, I asked my father to I will do CA. He didn't agree. Then I left the interest only. One of my friends, he called me 3 days, continuously and motivated me to do CA. Then I started to watch free online YouTube classes and also after a few months, my father believed me and he used to like he plans to join me to certain coaching centers. Then we discussed with few coaching centers, but they already started coaching. Then I decided to do study myself only. Afterwards, I joined Bishop Cash Course here on the college. Then I cleared with foundation with good marks. And I joined Christian Inter here only. And I went to teachers here. Like Akhilesh sir, SP sir, RSP sir, and Nagendra sir, and C. Akash sir, and Akhilesh brother sir. Like they motivated me a lot. Like they want to believe me. When I was not good at it. And I cleared first group in May